What's up guys, D Brooks here with another video. I just wanted to show you guys how you can go live from your YouTube channel on your phone without 1,000 subscribers. First thing you need to do is go to the youtube.com mobile website. Make sure you type in m.youtube.com, and then once you get to that, because if you don't, sometimes it'll automatically take you to your app. Once you get to the website, go ahead and switch it to desktop mode. Make sure you switch to the desktop mode, and then make sure that you have live streaming enabled, so that way you're allowed to live stream. If you already have live streaming enabled, then you don't have to do this step. It's already done. Then what you need to do is actually go to Streamlabs, the app on iPhone. I'm not sure if this will work on Android. Someone in the comments can confirm. You go to the app on Streamlabs, log into your channel, and then basically use that as the source for live streaming, and then you can go live from your phone without 1,000 subs. I've used this on several of my channels. Most of them don't have 1,000 subscribers, but I found out this is a great workaround. It also has more features. You guys let me know if this helps. Make sure you leave a comment down in the comment section. If you guys have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. If you guys like this video, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. And then if you guys want to see more videos, just make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks. Peace.